Obviously that goes with the age thing as well. If you're in that younger generation, you're more likely to do well. Before you pick your answer. So when you write out a computer program, you say, if this, do this. If this, do this.
The common thread here is doing well in section 3. Risk/weakness in this approach. And they should not have reached those conclusions. So there is fraught data out there.
Morals, they're things that rational beings can acquire too.
But the other thing it allows us to do, so we've made that point where we don't need this tutelary external enforcement.
And to try to discover certain theories, to solve certain problems, to win certain prizes, that kind of thing.
The ideas itself, the argument itself, and usually what is the argument?
Power, be it whatever they're going to talk about, the interpersonal, the different types of identities.
Philosophy, or hoping to be the dominant underlying philosophy of Western societies.